Let's unbox my beauty advent calendar. First, let's take off these gloves because there's no way I can do this with these on. First, we've got to take this sleeve off. Oh, so there's 24 days worth in here. First up, we've got day 1. Oh, it's some Kiss nails. Lovely. Day 2 right here. Volume blow dry spray. Day 3 is its lashes. We got some Prima Dami lashes. Number 4 is right there. Oops. Moisturizing hand and nail cream. This will definitely come in handy. Get it? Handy hand cream. Day 5. This feels very light. Suspicious. Face, body and hair jewels. I can't lie, it would have been better if they filled the box full of these though, because look at all that space. Number 6. This is a big one. A wet brush. Look, I've got the mini baby one and I've been wanting a full size one, so I'm so happy. Yes, I'm putting the empty boxes back in because it just looks prettier, okay? Don't judge me. Number 7, way down there. Hello there. Oh, everything's gonna drop. It's like that game. What's it called? Is it Tetris? 2 mini Cetaphil. Is it Cetaphil? Cetaphil? A skin cleanser and a moisturizing lotion. What we got here? We got some Ico mascara. This is giving me an arm workout. A 9 right here. We've got some Eye Plump by Bye Bye or Bye Bee. Number 10. This Shea & Blue Blood Orange Natural Spray Fragrances. I can't even smell it because I've got this nose on, but there's how it looks. 11 is right here. You've got a Spectrum A17 brush. 12 right here. It's heavy. Got some curl jelly. 13's right at the top. It's the Korean Konjac facial sponge. Sounds fancy. 14 right here, the little tiny one. I'm just a baby. Oh, it's so cute. Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. 100% natural for dry skin, luscious lips and glossy bits. 15. So this is Rose Illuminating Facial Tan Mist. Ooh, 16 is another big mama. Sheer Glow Transparent Glaze Conditioning Gloss. 17. It's an Aurelia Balance and Purify Citrus Cleanser. 18. We got some Beauty Pro Overnight Retinol Serum. Number 19. So it's a water activated wet liner. 20. Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. Guys, day 21. Pro Blush Quad Palette. Let's open it up. Here's how it looks. Da, 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 da. 22. Revolution. So we've got Revolution lipstick in the shade Boss. 23. We have a River Island Amber and Vanilla perfume. Here's how it looks inside. And finally, number 24. Sleep Salt Soak from Aroma Active Lavatories. So you put this in your bath. And we did it! That is everything. Thanks for watching.